Hey you guys, welcome back. I want you to take your paper and fold it into 4. Okay. What is probability? It's basically like a prediction for an outcome. Anytime you see those two words, think of probability. Compound probability is when you have two events and we're going to be multiplying those together. Simple probability it's just one event. Okay, so we just brain dumped. Now we're going to go ahead and start answering questions. Okay, Haley, I have a problem about you. Okay, so Haley's mom put slips of paper with different chores in the bag. In the bag there are 4 clean the bathroom, 6 take out the trash, 3 mow the lawn, and 8 dust the mini blind slips. If Haley chooses a chore and replaces it, then chooses a second chore, what is the probability that she will choose mow the lawn and take the trash out? Okay, so let's go ahead and write our keywords. So we have 4 bathroom, we have 6 trash, we have 3 mow the lawn, and then 8 dust. Okay, it says she chooses a chore, replaces it, and then chooses a second chore. Okay, and so we want lawn and trash. Okay, so if I add up all my numbers, that's 10 plus 3 is 13 plus 8, that's 21. So we have 21, out of 21, we want to know for the lawn. So that would be 3 out of 21. Anytime I have 2 events happening, I'm going to be multiplying. Now let's talk about the second chore. I had to replace it, so I still have 21. I didn't take anything out, and I have to take out the trash. So trash is 6. Well, I have some big numbers here, so I'm going to go ahead and simplify them. What can I simplify with 3 and 21? I can simplify it by 3. That would be 1, and this would be 7. What can I simplify between 21 and 6? I can use 3. So 3 divided by 6, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So now I'm going to multiply across. 2 times 1 is 2. 7 times 7 is 49. So if I look at my answer choices, my answer is C. Okay, next problem about Miss Gates. Shout out to Miss Gates. Miss Gates' candy bowl has 6 Skittles, 4 Starbursts, 8 Twizzlers, and 10 Snickers. If a student chooses a prize from the candy bowl at random, what is the probability the student will choose Skittles? So let's go ahead and write our keywords. So she has 6 Skittles, 4 Starburst, 8 Twizzlers, 10 Snickers. Okay, and they want the probability of Skittles. So let's go ahead and add up all our candies together. So if I add that up, 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 8 is 18, plus 10 is 28. Okay, she still wants the probability of Skittles. So I have 6 Skittles, so we have 6 out of 28. I can simplify 6 and 28. They're both even, so I can simplify that by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 28 divided by 2 is 14. I can't simplify that anymore, so my answer is 3 out of 14. Okay, number 2. The donut shop gave Miss Kennard a box of donuts. Shout out to Miss Kennard. Okay, there are 8 glazed, 10 chocolate with sprinkles, 12 jelly filled, and 6 bear claws. If she reaches in the box and pulls at random, what is the probability it will be a bear claw? So let's pick out our keywords. So 8 glazed, 10 chocolate, 12 jelly, 6 bear claw. And at random, she's going to pull, they want the probability of a bear claw. Okay, so what are we going to do first? We're going to find our total. 8 plus 10 is 18, plus 12 would be 30, plus 6 would be 36. So 36 total donuts. But they want to know for bear claw, so that's 6 out of 36. I can simplify both of those by 2, by 3, and by 6. So I get 1 out of 6. Okay, I ran out of room, so I'm going to go ahead and turn my paper over, or I can just fold up another one. Make sure y'all are doing this because it is for a grade. Michael bought snacks for a trip. He bought 6 red jellos, 8 chocolate puddings, 12 granola bars, and 12 cookie packs. If he randomly chooses a snack, then puts it back and randomly chooses a second snack, that means we're talking about compound. What is the probability he would choose a red jello and a cookie pack? So let's write all of this down. Six red jellos, 8 chocolate puddings, 12 granola bars, and 12 cookies. He chooses the snack. Puts it back. And then chooses a second snack. All of this means that this is a compound. So we're going to be using multiplication. Okay, they want to know for red jello and a cookie pack. Okay, and find